My life with Kinako in Shibuya, Tokyo. The rainy season is over and summer has come in 2021. This time, I wanted to share some moments of my daily life with Kinako that I captured. The moments right before the Olympic. Just my ordinary life, so it might not be that exciting. I am walking in the middle of a famous crossing in Shibuya. As you can see, there are many people out there, though we are under the fourth wave of the state of emergency in Tokyo. The Olympic game is starting very soon. However, how would we be able to get excited about these historical games to come when we are still under this pandemic situation? Anyway, today I will meet up with my friend over lunch. I have something to discuss Kinako-related plans and events to actually collaborate with her. Azabu Sabo, a casual franchise Japanese sweets parlor that also provides meals. I love this casual style restaurants for having meals and chatting with people. All the sets are served with your preferred sweet. You have a lot of choices. I ordered the udon noodle set. What I enjoy is the meal and of course spending time with my friend face to face. It's precious, isn't it? And this warabi mochi and sweet potato with the tower up ice cream. I actually asked the restaurant staff to reduce the amount of the ice cream. This tower was supposed to be much taller than this. Kinako is such a familiar food in Japan. Very popular flavor. You can see it in almost any Japanese sweet shop or cafe, but it's a bit inconspicuous. It's too common for us, I would say. I hope this wonderful powder gets more recognized and you will have fun with it like I do. If you have chance to come to Japan in the future, I believe you do, please try some Kinako sweets. It's everywhere in Japan. Have Kinako with your daily life. It should be great for your both physical and mental health for sure. See you then!